Hey everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have something special for you, a fun and engaging session on daily use English questions and answers.
That's right. We'll cover a wide range of common questions and their responses, making your English conversation smoother and more confident.
How to start with greetings. Hi there. How are you today?
I am good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I am doing well, thanks.
Hey, how's your day going?
Pretty good so far. How about yours?
Not bad. Thanks for asking.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. How about you?
I had a bit of trouble sleeping, but I'm okay now.
Long time no see. How have you been?
I have been good, thanks. How about you?
I have been busy but good overall. How to ask about personal information. What's your name?
I am Sarah, and you?
I am David. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I am from California. How about you?
I am from New York.
What's your occupation?
I'm a student at the university. How about you?
I am a teacher.
How old are you?
I am 28. How about you?
I am 25. How to talk about daily activities.
What do you do for a living?
I am a graphic designer. How about you?
I am a software engineer.
How's work going?
It's busy but good. How about you?
I am enjoying my classes.
What's your daily routine like?
I usually have breakfast and then head to work. How about you?
I wake up early and go for a run.
Wow, that's amazing.
Let's talk about preferences. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
I am a fan of sushi.
Do you like to cook?
I am not much of a cook, but I like baking. And you?
I enjoy trying out new recipes.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies. How about you?
I am into action movies.
Have you traveled to any interesting places?
Yes, I have been to Italy. How about you?
Not yet, but it's on my bucket list. When we talk about plans and invitations.
What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing, I am free this weekend.
I am going hiking. Want to join?
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
I'm visiting family. How about you?
I am staying in town.
Have you been to any show lately?
I have not been to a show in a while. And you?
Yes, I saw my favorite show last week.
Do you want to grab lunch sometime?
Sure, I would like that. When are you free?
How about this Friday?
Talking about weather and seasons. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a picnic.
Sounds like a plan.
Do you like winter or summer?
I like winter season. How about you?
I prefer summer.
What's your favorite season for traveling?
I like spring because of the mild weather. And you?
I prefer fall because of the colorful foliage.
Have you ever experienced a hurricane?
No, I have not experienced one yet.
How to talk about travel and places.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Not yet, but it's on my bucket list. And you?
Yes, it's a beautiful city.
What's your dream travel destination?
I want to visit Japan. How about you?
I dream of going to Australia.
Do you prefer beach vacations or mountain getaways?
I enjoy mountain getaways more.
I like both, but I lean towards beach vacations.
What's your favorite part about traveling?
I love trying new foods. And you?
I enjoy exploring historical sites.
When we are talking about future plans, what do you want to do after graduation?
I'm thinking of traveling the world. How about you?
I want to start my own business.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself as a software engineer. How about you?
Hopefully, I will be working in my dream job.
Do you have any long-term goals?
Yes, I want to learn a new language. How about you?
I want to write a book. Well, that's it for our daily use English questions and answers. We hope you found them helpful and fun to practice.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips and videos. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Bye for now. Remember to leave your favorite conversation starter in the comments below.